Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, students. Okay, shall we learn in accountancy? We are learning about the interest on capital, isn't it? Here we have two more types of problems. Okay, that illustration 9 and 10 we will see. I will show to you that 9 and 10. Then I will teach you that I will do and show the 9 and 10 illustrations, that exercise. Okay, students. See, here in this illustration, they have given that what is different from that problem. Here, profit earned given and profit and loss appropriation account also given in the problem 10,000. Okay, then in the previous problem it is not like that. So what we should do, we should subtract this amount from this amount. Then the remaining, that means 31 minus 10, 21. 21,000 should be divided among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, that is the difference. All the other things same only. See that closing capital, that equation you may not forget. Closing capital, add drawings less additional capital less profit. We will get opening capital. Okay. There in the first lesson, how we did closing capital, add drawings less additional capital less opening capital, we will get the profit. Here we are deducting the profit, then we will get the opening capital. That capital we have to calculate. Okay, that is what they have done. Okay, shall we do the exercise? 9. Exercise 9. Okay. See, from the following balance sheets of Rajan and Devan, who share profits and losses 2:1. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Assets, then capital, profit and loss appropriation account. Then 1st April, Rajan introduced additional capital. Then 1st September, Devan introduced 30,000. Drawings of Rajan and Devan during the year given. Okay. Then profit earned totally 70,000. Now we will do this problem. Okay. First we have to calculate the opening capital. Isn't it? Opening capital should be calculated. Okay, I will fold and keep, otherwise you cannot see the full both the pages. Okay, exercise number 9. Okay, so 2 column. Partner's name Rajan Devan. Okay, first closing capital. That is given in the table, isn't it? In the balance sheet. 1,80,000. Okay. Then add drawings. Drawings. How much? Drawings 20,000, 10,000. Okay, draw 1,20,000. Here 90,000. Then less additional capital. Additional capital 40,000, 30,000. You must be very careful in doing the calculation. Okay, here less. So we have to deduct 80,000. Here 60,000. Now less profit. Profit, how much given in that profit and loss appropriation 40. The profit earned 70,000. So 70,000 minus 40, 30,000, isn't it? This 30,000 will be shared among the partners in the profit sharing ratio 2:1. So 2 by 3. Here 1, isn't it? So 10,000 into 2, 20,000. Here 10,000 into the other partner 1. So 10,000. Less. So minus 60,000, 50,000. Now we got the opening capital. This is called opening capital. Now we have to calculate interest on capital for both the partners. Okay. Interest on capital. First Rajan. First on opening capital. Opening capital is 60,000 into rate 6 by 100. 3636 20 3,600. Then for the additional capital. Additional capital. How much is the additional capital of Rajan? 40,000. Then when he is introducing, we have to calculate. Okay, when he is introducing Rajan, 1st April. Okay, the accounts close on 31st December. So, from April onwards, okay, 9 months from April to December. Now we will simplify. 1662. Then 2, here 2, 200. 200 into 9, 1,800. 14 balance 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, then next partner Devan on opening capital. Opening capital is 50,000 for him into 6 by 100. 5, 6, 30. 20. Isn't it? Next one on additional capital. How much is the additional capital of Devan? 30,000. Rate 6 by 100. Then introduced on 1st September. So September, October, November, December. 4 months. Okay, 20, 6, here 2, 2, here 2. So 300 into 2, 600. So 3,600. You can write a symbol, rupees symbol here. Okay, or you can write once again answer. Okay, Rajan's interest on capital. Then Devan's interest on capital, 3,600. Okay, students, now we have seen the 9th illustration as well as exercise. Okay, now in the same way, shall we see the 10th illustration as well as exercise. Okay. Here, this is also simple. If we have completed this one, we will complete one heading, the interest on capital. Okay. First, we have completed the different methods. First one, if the partnership deed is silent, what are the provisions we have to follow? That we have studied, isn't it? Then, the methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners, fluctuating method and fixed capital method. Now, interest on capital we are doing. Okay, so you may not forget what we have learnt in the beginning. A and B contribute 4 lakh, 2 lakh respectively as capital. Their respective share of profit 3:2. The profit before interest 27,000. Okay, amount of interest on capital in each of the following situation. 3 situations given. If the partnership deed is silent as to the interest on capital, already we have studied, if the deed is silent about the interest on capital, no interest on capital is given to any partner, that we have to write. Then, if interest on capital at 3%, then one more point we have studied, if there is enough or sufficient profit, only then interest on capital will be provided. Okay, so we should calculate 3% and the available profit is 27,000. So whether it is enough. Okay, you see, they have calculated it is only 18,000. So there is sufficient profit. Interest on capital will be provided. Next, 5%. 5% you calculate. 20,000 plus 10,000, 30,000 coming, but profit before interest on capital is 27,000. Now we cannot provide this interest on capital because here insufficient profit. Okay, there in the interest on capital we have studied, if there is insufficient profit, no interest on capital will be provided. Okay, but this profit 27,000 will not be shared in the profit ratio. It will be shared in the partner's capital ratio. Okay, what is their capital ratio? 2:1. Okay, but the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Understood now? Shall we do the problem? Okay. Ahmad and Bashir contribute 60,000, 40,000 as capital. Their respective share of profit 2:1. Profit before interest on capital 5,000. Compute the amount of interest on capital each of the situation. Partnership deed is silent. Okay, that we know. Exercise 10. Number 1, you want to write. Okay, if the partnership deed is silent, as to that question you have to write. Okay, what is the answer? No, interest on capital is interest on capital. No, comma. Okay, interest on capital is not provided for partners. Okay, then second one, write again. If the interest on capital is allowed as per the 4% as per the partnership deed, okay, then we should calculate. Okay, available profit rupees 5,000. Okay, so who is the first partner? Ahmad. What is his capital? 60,000 into rate of interest 4. 20, 4, 6, 24, 20. Okay, then Bashir. 40,000 into 4/100. 4 4s are 16. We have got 4,000. So sufficient profit is there. Okay, profit is sufficient to provide interest on capital. Okay, then third one. If interest on capital is 6% per annum. Okay, then for profit how much? 5,000. Now Ahmad, 60,000 into 6/100. 36,30,20. Then Bashir, 40,000 into 6/100. 20, 4, 6, 24. Add and find out 6,000. But we have only 5,000. Okay, profit is insufficient. Profit is insufficient to provide interest on capital. So interest on capital is not provided. is not provided. Profit is shared. What? How much? 5,000. Okay. Is shared in the capital ratio. In their capital ratio. Okay. That's the answer. We have completed. Okay, students. So 10 problems we have completed. Now again 3-4 problems there. Around 23 problems we have. Okay. Again 13 problems we have. But the interest on drawings also simple problems there. 3 mark, 2 mark. Okay. Almost everything. Many 2 mark, 3 mark, even 5 marks available. Okay. Very simple, but you have to listen and you should be able to differentiate between one problem to another. Okay, here in the 12th, very simple only, but some little confusions are there. Okay, easy to understand, but little confusion will be there. But if you have understood, it will be very easy for you to do. Okay, students, thank you very much.